Hello! In this video I will unbox the MAXIFY GX series. I will cover the following in this video and feel free to subscribe so you will be notified about my future upload on this series. First, let's have some information about the packaging. Here is what you find in the box after the unboxing. And to see the full unboxing, continue watching this video. In my next video on this model, I will fully set up the device, and you can find it by clicking the up right corner of the screen or in the description link below. About the software and installation from this disk you find in the video by touching the right up corner of the screen. In this part I will give you some dimensions information. Here is how much space you need to use this printer. And the next 4 minutes I will be unboxing the MAXIFY GX series. About the software and installation from this disk you find in the video by touching the right up corner of the screen. This was in the box, and that was all in this video. I recommend checking the Get the Most Out of Your Printer in the web manuals, and you can find more videos on these MAXIFY models in the playlist on my YouTube channel. Feel free to comment, ask questions below, and do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell so you will be notified about my future uploads. Thank you for watching and sharing. In the next video on this model, I will set up the printer, connect to network and fax setup. Bye!